Tradeonix Pro, real solutions for serious Forex trader lifestyle. What you are about to see is a purely mechanical system so powerful it has a proven, long-term win rate of 83%, and yet still makes money even if you only win 35% of your trades. Software that makes trading far easier and less time-consuming yet does not replace the important truths about how you should trade, which you will discover here today. A knowledge base of trading information which has never been available to traders until now. It may be the most comprehensive database of proven trading methods known to man. You have quick access day or night to every tool and strategy you could ever need to make trading work for you. This may not be for you though. If you prefer systems that trade for you, and don't want to truly master trading so that you eventually get to the point where you're making 6 or even 7 figures annually, then this may not be for you. However, if you're dead set on getting rich and want to be using genuine pro-level tools to do so, then this is definitely for you. And it is so much more than just a system. Personalized one-on-one, expert support to get you through any and every trading problem you encounter and answer any question that comes up. Available to you 24/7 at your convenience.
No matter what you have been led to believe, this is how every rich trader got rich. https://cutt.ly/tradonix-p